Hello, my name is Anna. This next section will be talking about moulded and fabricated fittings and how deration applies. Deration typically refers to HDPE fabricated fittings as opposed to moulded fittings. So what is the difference between moulded fittings and fabricated fittings, and what is deration anyway? Our moulded fittings are European manufactured and are consistent in their quality and their wool thickness. The way they are made is through an injection moulded process, which means they have an integral reinforcement, allowing the stresses that the fittings are put under when they're in use. In addition, these fittings are batch tested at an elevated temperature and pressure so that the pressure conformance is not a problem at all. Fabricated fittings such as elbows, equal-tees, junctions or crosses are segment-welded, typically to make a sharp change or to make a specific angle, which can cause stress at the joint. This means that the fitting will not necessarily tolerate the full pressure rating like a moulded fitting, and will therefore need to undergo a process of deration in order to meet the Australian standards. They state that any segment-welded or cross-cut butt-welded fitting need to undergo a 50% deration. For example, a cross-cut butt-welded equal-tee using PN16 or 16 bar pipe derates by 50%, therefore it only will tolerate PN8 or 8 bar. In this example here, you can see a fabricated junction blown apart. It could potentially have been from too much pressure, which wasn't allowed for, and that's why we recommend using moulded fittings opposed to fabricated fittings wherever possible. Thanks for watching. Trust you found this useful, and we'll see you next week.